right, guys, so if we're going to want to try to do some of our notes together in class, we at least need to get our notebook set up before class because we need to cut some things out and glue some things. And I don't think it's safe for us to like pass around scissors and share scissors and tape and glue and stuff like that. So follow along with this video to get our notes set up. We won't fill them out. We'll fill them out together in class, but this needs to be ready before we get to class on Monday. Alrighty, so you should have this packet here, and we're going to start our chapter about solving inequalities. And so if you take this first one, this is going to be our table of contents. You just fold this 3/4 back like we've done before. And the last page that we did for solving equations was page 25. So this will go around the next page, and then we can tape that in. We're not going to number that one. So tape that in here. Okay, on the next page, we are going to number this. So this will be page 26. And the next thing that you should have in there, it looks like this. You're going to fold that in half like a book. And then you're going to want to cut along each of the dashed lines to create a few doors. I wish I had like a little speed up thing because you don't need to watch me cut. I need to like take a class as to how to make cool YouTube videos where you can like speed stuff up and slow stuff down. Okay, so once we have that, we'll tape that in on 26. And we'll turn the page. We'll number these ones, 27 and 28. And so the next one you should have in your packet looks like this. This one we're going to fold, so we want to be looking at this side here. We're going to fold into that middle line to create like little French doors. And then again, along the dashed lines, we're going to want to make a cut. This one's going to go on 27. And then the next one you should have right here, it looks like that. Looks like that. We're going to want to look at it this way and fold it like a book, but backwards. So kind of here, and then we're going to go to that dashed line. And then cut along this dashed line here to get 2 little doors, and that will go on 28. Now, we're going to turn the page, and we're going to number these two, page 29 and 30. We're not going to put anything on them. Okay, so number them, don't put anything on them, turn the page. Then we got page 31 and 32. And on page 31, we're going to take the next one in our packet, so this one here. Yay, story problems. Cute, cute, cute. And we're going to fold this one backwards like a book, like we just did on that last one. And then we'll make 2 cuts to get 3 little doors. This one we'll put on page 31, but then we're going to leave page 32 blank. Nothing on it. Okay, so 31. 32 is going to stay blank. Turn the page. We'll number these ones 33 and 34. And on page 33, we're going to take this next one here. So it looks like this. Looks like that. Make sure it says and, because the other one looks very similar. And we're going to flip it over, look at this side, and fold it in to get those French doors. And then we're going to want to cut along the little dashed lines to get 3 little doors on either side. And this one we're going to put on page 33. And then like the last one, we will leave page 34 blank for now. Turn the page. We're going to have 35 and 36. And with the last one that you should have in your packet, this one here looks very similar to that last one, but it says or. Put that one over, look at it this side. We're going to fold it in just like that last one, French doors, and cut along the dashed lines on either side to get 3 little doors on each side. This one we will tape or glue on page 35. And then we will leave page 36 blank. And my hope is we have this all set and ready to go before we come into class on Monday. Same for my virtual students. You're probably going to want to have it set up so that when we start on Monday, we can just dive right into the notes and we don't have to worry about like folding and gluing and all that stuff. Now, one last thing, I am going to turn the page and number page 37 as well, but not 38. So, okay, hopefully that's okay. And I'm excited to do like notes with you. I think it'll go really well. That doesn't mean you might not still have a short video to watch each night about me doing a couple extra problems. So yeah, I'll see you Monday or Tuesday.